Hi, I'm Kathy Puffer with Solar Cities, and
I am Rose Bazil with Notre Dame University, Haiti.
And we are here at the Science Barge in Yonkers, and we're sitting in front of a 55-gallon digester, which is very similar to the ones that they built at the university. Rose, tell us why this program at the University of Notre Dame is so special and so important in Haiti.
It's special and important for Haiti because we have a problem with our environment. We use charcoal for cooking fuels, and we use woods for cooking fuels. And then I earn a biodigester in the solar oven. I saw how important it is, for economy and for the environment. So we put this program, we went
together. It was great.
Last November and start this program at the university. And the university is using biogas, and they're using solar oven to
cook. The cookers, both hands.
Yes, to cook every day. They use that to cook every day, and the students are very excited. They form a committee called Biogas and Solar and Ratio Soleil Committee.
Yes.
And they want to bring this program to Haiti, for every Haitian to be a part of it. It's like a revolution for them, for Haitian to be able to make their own cooking foods
from the roots up.
From the roots up, use organic waste to make fuels to cook, and to use solar oven. We have Haiti is rich with the sunlight.
Yeah.
So we can use that, and they want to bring it to Haiti. So, and I think it's a very important program, and I'm Haitian. I am all for it, and we would like to
return. It's very important for us to return in December as soon as possible for this next phase of their program, as they're building their business plan and learning how to talk to different community members about how they could possibly incorporate biogas and all those other higher level skills, and then the curriculum development into their program. You and I are going to be working together to be working with them for curriculum development. So, for our family, we give to Solar Cities every month because we've seen the growth that has been happening. Because in our projects with Solar Cities, we've seen that it is not enough just to build a biodigester somewhere, leave it and expect it to work. Even though we have the forum, people still tend to want to wait around for the expert to come back. But with this program, and what makes it special with our biogas educational hub model is that we're training other people to become those experts and reconnecting people to those lost arts of caregiving, medicine, animal husbandry, farming, so they can then realize that they have all the skills that they need to be their own biogas experts. And that takes like a personal connection and a personal touch to do that, and that's why it's so important for this next phase of the program. So you too can be part of this movement. Please give to Solar Cities to help bring Rose and I back to the university for this next critical part. And thank you so much. You can donate on solarcities.solutions. Join us.
Thank you.